Hello, so today we'll be checking out a tool of mine, a website in Next.js 15 that I built. So this is it's called WordNest. It's basically a blogging website. The main features are like it was supposed to show off the features of Next 15. So like partial pre-rendering, like having static and dynamic elements at once. So some parts of your page load at once, while some parts of your page load after some time, like in 60 seconds using cache, like that. So yeah, so this is the website. So you can come and log in here. It uses GitHub authentication. So let me just log in and yeah. So it is published to this URL, WordNest. I'll put the GitHub repo down below, and you'll be able to see the what it, the deployed URL as well as all the code, etc. So yeah, so this is the profile page. So this shows all your current blog posts that you have written at any time. And yeah, this uses your GitHub bio as well as your GitHub user ID. Uh, yeah, and we have also have the Sentry. So basically, you can report a bug anytime that you find it. And so you can at any time click on a blog and you can have a read through uh, for any of the non-users too. If you are not logged in also, you can see all the blogs and your views are counted. So basically, uh, when you come to a blog website, so the created date, the title, any image URL that you have hosted anywhere, it can be GitHub URL or anywhere. And these two buttons are only visible to authors. And there are also tags, so you can put a category of it. And if you click on that, you'll have the category show up, like all posts associated with that category. Yeah, and you also have your user, the person that created this blog. You can edit or delete. The authors can edit or delete, and yeah, any of the editor picks. So these are some of the picks that like I can set, like any person who is the editor can set. And so let me come here. Yeah, so this loads every 60 seconds. So if anyone creates a new block, then in next 60 seconds, it will show up without reloading the page. So this is like it waits for 60 seconds and uses a cache and then it gets your data. So this is a very handy feature of Next.js. And in the post page, as you can see, here we have the live views uh, counter. So this is live. So if anyone visits this while I'm here, so this will automatically get updated to 27. So it will auto update, like, and you don't need to reload the page every time. While the data on the post is not live, it is having 60-second delay. So it uses cache, and so basically, if there are 100 users and all of them are trying to access the same post, so you'll only have one call to the backend. And regarding the stack, I'm using Sanity for the backend. So for hosting the data and saving it. So if we go to this will load the Sanity Studio. Meanwhile, we can check out the create functionality. So yeah. So this is the Sanity Studio. So your authors, like only I can access this because I am the administrator. So authors, blog posts that are there, and playlists. So basically, I can update the if there are some issues, then I can come here and update from the backend. And if I want to create a blog post, then I can click on create. Then I'm logged in. You can't create a blog post without logging in. So I have a blog post written. So I'll just put the data here. Yeah. So this is the entire blog. And if you click on this, you can also preview it in a full screen manner. So yeah, the users can at any time use any markdown formats to create the blog, and that will be rendered. So basically, if I submit this, yeah, blog post has been created successfully. And that blog post opens up whatever you have created. And now I'm viewing this, so there's a one view. And if I go to the home page, so it won't directly show up, it will show up after 60 seconds. So if I come here. Yeah, I can edit the posts too. So let me show that to you. Yeah, you'll come to the edit site and you can add some changes here and it will redirect you to the edited post. And as you can see, my changes are visible. So the edit looks ugly. Yeah, and yeah, this is today's date, February 16th. And let me pause the video 60 seconds and you can see that this is updated. Yeah, so let me show some other features too. So you can delete the post. So if you come over here, it will ask you for a confirmation and yeah, and at any time delete the post. Yeah, post deleted successfully and at the home page, it's not there. So basically you can also search for any of these. So next, let's see, Next.js. Yeah, so this blog post that I wrote about Next 15, that will also be visible. So yeah, that's it. And let me show one more feature. Yeah, the other feature is that it's completely responsive. So if you go to any iPhone or any other uh, website, so it will be having the customized layout. So basically, the buttons would change. Like normally it's text, so it would go to icons, and it's you can view this at any on any device. So yeah, that's it for this one. And yeah. Yeah, and I had referred to this Next.js 15 crash course to help me with this. And then I also added a couple more features which were not there in the original one, like editing, deleting posts, all of those features I added. And yeah, this is currently deployed to this GitHub repo. This one will be put in the description of the video. And yeah, there's also the deployed URL, WordNest. So you guys can check it out, create some posts. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.